expand the following, we've got z times x plus y and b a times a minus 12. So expanding the brackets, we're going to do the same idea as we did in the previous video. So we do z times x, and then z times y. We don't write the multiplication sign in, and we will write things in alphabetical order. So we'll write x times z plus y times z, writing terms in alphabetical order. Second one, we've got a times a minus 12. So that gives me a times a, which we're going to write as a times a, minus a times 12, minus sign because we've got a minus there. Now a times a in algebra is a squared, and this one we will write the number before the letter. So we're going to write minus 12a, and that's sort of standard practice to write the number before any letters. So this has been a video to show you how to expand simple brackets. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.